So here we are, 7 o'clock, Sunday morning. Another great day yesterday. Everyone getting in, helping each other. And such a massive shout out to everybody who's doing all the food and drinks, keeping everyone sustained. Courier Mail over here doing an awesome job. Hey, just a word for warning for everyone. Be really careful about getting cuts on your hands and getting infected. Mine is now an up and go, and I'm really not sure what I'm going to do about that. So our New South Wales Premier Dominic Perrottet was in town yesterday. He said we've got another 450 volunteers coming our way, and we've got another 900 soldiers of the Australian Defence Force coming, and they're going to be spread out over the area from today. Because the fact of the matter is, there's still people stuck and need immediate help. Places like Broadwater, Coraki, Woodburn, no power, no food, no supplies. Even people like up in the hills in Mullumbimby, still cut off by landslides, bridges washed away. But there are amazing people in the community getting mercy packs out to these people who are isolated. But this shit is bad, man. There are people who are in need while people are trying to pick up the pieces and rebuild. Like, it's such a chaotic situation. So with the 1,000 or so buildings and houses that will be condemned in Lismore, the Premier has vowed to restore Lismore and not waste a single dollar in the state's budget. I have absolutely no idea how much money they're talking about, but hey, here's hoping, Lismore. But just wondering, what are you up to, ScoMo? Just asking for a mate. At least we got some positive news yesterday from the Premier. So let's just wait and see how that all pans out. But hey, Lismore flood update. Rowing Club car park is the last thing that's underwater. But this here actually floods on a good day here in Lismore, so no surprises. You can even see how much the water's come down here overnight. Another Lismore flood update. Love thy neighbour. Stay safe, guys.